Hello everyone and welcome to another Math tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing SPM Clone 2005 Form 4 Chapter 7 Statistics Short Question. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. The sum of squares of 5 numbers is m. If the standard deviation of the numbers is k, find the sum of the numbers in terms of m and k. So this is the overall question. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. So without further delay, let us start to solve this question. Let us continue. This question is actually an ungrouped data, guys. Okay. So to solve this question, we are going to use this formula, okay, which is variance is equals to sum of squares divided with n minus with mean square. Okay, this n is actually number of values of data. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use this formula and then we're going to obtain from the question, and then we're going to try to find the sum of the terms in terms of m and k. So this is the overall idea on how we're going to solve this question. Okay, so the first step what we're going to do is we're going to gather the information from the question one by one. So from here, the question mentioned that the sum of squares is m. So from here, let us write it down. Sum of squares is m, and then the number of values of data is 5 over here. So let us write it down as well. So n is equals to 5. Okay, the formula here mentioned variance, but then the question gave us standard deviation. So how are we going to find it? Okay, no problem, we can find it as well. So standard deviation is given by the question is equals to k. So to find the variance, what you need to do, you need to square the standard deviation. So from here, sigma square will be equals to k square. Okay guys, so I hope you understand the concept up until now. So what we're going to do, so all the values that we have obtained, so we're going to substitute in this formula over here. Okay, so let me continue the working over this side. Okay, let us continue. K square is equals to, okay, in a bracket, m divide with 5, okay, close bracket, and then you minus with the mean square. But then you have a problem here. You don't know the exact value of mean, okay, but then you should know how to find the mean value, guys. Okay, to find the mean value, so what you need to do, the sum of numbers you divide with the number of values of data. Okay, you don't know the sum of numbers, so you just write here summation of x, but then you should know the number of values of data, in this case which is 5. Okay, so you just write here 5. Okay, let me underline the fraction over here. Okay, and let me square this. Okay, so from here let us continue. Okay, so this negative sigma x over 5 square, so I'll move it over to the left hand side, and this k square from the left hand side I'll move it over to the right hand side. Okay, so from here you should get summation x over 5 square is equals to m over 5 minus with k square. Okay, so from here let us continue. So this k square you can combine with m over 5. So from here you should get summation x over 5 square is equals to m minus 5k square over 5. Okay, so let me underline the fraction over here. So from here what we're going to do, So this square we're going to include in the calculation. So from here, summation x square, so you divide with 25 is equals to m minus 5k square over 5. Okay, the working still remains the same. Okay, so from here what we're going to do is we're going to simplify this 25 guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to times 25 at the right hand side and times 25 at the left hand side. Okay, so this 25 will cancel off, will become 1, and this 5 will cancel out, become 1, and this 25 will cancel out, become 5. Okay, since we are finding sum of numbers in terms of m and k guys, okay, that is our main objective. So from here, sum of numbers square is equals to 5 times with m minus 5k square. So from here you should get 5m minus 25k square. So to find the sum of numbers, so what you do, the 5m minus 25k square, you square root it. Okay, so from here sum of numbers will be equals to 5m minus 25k square, and you square root it. Okay, let me underline the square root. Okay, so this is your final answer guys. Okay, let me underline the solution for you. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. And also not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.